Welcome back to Fix and Fab Garage. Ow!
Welcome back to Fix and Fab Garage. Once again, got the Lincoln fired up. We're going to be finishing up my dog gate. Got to throw on some hinges up here. As you can see, the deck's finally done. It looks great. Now I can put the good dog gate up. So I'm going to put some hinges on here, bolt it on here. Then I've got my little latch set up here to make sure she can't get out. We'll give that a couple of tacks. I'm probably not going to use very much of that, but I've got some longer, more sturdy ones. But we're going to start out by doing my first welds. So I'm just going to take my hinge, throw it on here like so. Give it a couple of tacks here, tack, 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 tack. It doesn't have to be super hard, super big welds. It'll hold. This little welder does some amazing little welds. So let me give that 2 or 3 tacks and I'll give some little welds, and we'll see the progress as we go. So now that I got a couple of tacks on there, I can go ahead and move my clamp and go ahead. I'm probably just going to do a nice solid weld here, here, a little patch up here, and maybe just a little lick down here somewheres. So I'll get that. I'm going to run out to the truck, get my brush, because I do have my brush today, and we'll see how it looks after that. So there's the settings. 4 and almost 5 on the speed, wire speed. Top one up here is your amperage, and your bottom is your wire speed. So 4, almost 5 on the bottom. Let's see what it did. Yeah. Here, for this, get my wire brush. For a dog gate, that'll hold it. Let's check out this side. Wish I had a grinder with a wire wheel. That'd be a little quicker. Boom. That'll hold. Yeah. So I'm going to do another tack here, another tack here. I'll throw the other one on. Then I'll put it up here and we'll size it up. I only wanted about 1 inch or 2 off the ground here and whatever. Center it. So let me weld this up, and I'll get back to you in the flash it takes me to do the other side. So hinges all welded on, and I found whereabouts I wanted, so it's screwed on there. Works amazing. Check this out, guys. You know, that's going to be wicked to keep her in. Boop, it should lock all by itself. So now all I got to do is figure out how to get this on there like that. Wonder if I know anybody with a welder. Oh yeah, I got one. I think that'll be easy. Oh yeah, sorry. There, that'll be easy work, won't it? So, let me if I put it on here, so that's what I'll do. I'm gonna throw a couple tack beads, whatever here, and I'll show you once I get it welded on. That little MIG works some nice. I love Lincoln. I've never had one. First one I had, best machine I've had. I've had little Mastercrafts, and I've tried different ones from different places like Princess Auto, and yeah, this is, I wish I would have bought one sooner. So yeah, get my little MIG out and weld that up, and I'll show you how it all turned out. Give me 1 second. And there, just as simple as that. Dog gate, finally built. Gonna watch it because it's still a little warm. But yeah, opens up plenty wide. And locks automatically. Look at that, isn't that sick? I really like that. Just gonna let this cool down a second. We'll get my dog out here, see how she likes it.
Movavi.